Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a COVID-19 vaccination appointment online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your COVID-19 shot with CVS online. How do you actually go ahead and schedule that appointment? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your CVS account or make one if you haven't already. Next, click on Schedule Vaccines. Now, from this page here, you either need to input your information or someone else's. So we're going to click on Add Someone Else and then simply follow our names, enter our date of birth, and then click on Add. Now, once you've done so, we're going to click on Add Vaccines and then indicate which shots we want and click on Add Vaccines again, then click on Next. Now, if you want hepatitis B, that's optional. Click on Next. Have you received COVID-19 vaccine in the last 2 months? Now you can indicate which COVID-19 vaccine you prefer or no preference. On the next page, you want to go ahead and indicate your zip code so that you can select the nearest and which date you want to go ahead and schedule the vaccine for. So let's say that we want to schedule the vaccine for the 13th and we want to sort it by nearest. Then we would go ahead and select which time we want the vaccine for. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a COVID-19 vaccination appointment online with CVS. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.